All right, this is just a quick review of the Airxcel 9430 3382 is the part number. And it's the Coleman Mach digital thermostat. It's automatic, and it's in a lot of new RVs that you'll see. And it's a relatively easy upgrade for your older RV with either an Atwood or a Coleman Mach furnace. You can also control Dometic equipment as well. So, comes with instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. On the back, there are little push connectors, and it shows, depending on what system you have, whether it's AC only, heat and cool, etc. And it kind of just shows you what the different wire colors are. In my case, I was upgrading from the slightly older style digital automatic thermostat, and I wanted to give this one a try because the old one had quite a bit of a what's called a droop, so the temperature would have to come down essentially in the winter. It would have to drop multiple degrees for the furnace to kick on, and then it would heat up above a couple degrees above your set point, so you would go through these hot and cold swings. Same thing with the air conditioning. It would cool, it would freeze you out, and then it would turn off, and it would start to get overly hot, and then freeze you out again. And it was a cycle that I didn't really care for. So I upgraded to this one. And I'm pleased to say that it does work a lot better. It's actually really simple. It goes 1 degree higher than your set point. So if you're running the heat and you got it set at 60, it'll heat to 61 and then shut off. And then when it gets down to 59, it'll kick on. So there's only a couple degree swing, but it ends up being much more comfortable. And when you're in a small truck camper like I have, you really notice the temperature changes a lot quicker. So to wire it in, all I did was, this does not have any wires on the back of it. And some of the older thermostats actually had a pigtail that came out of the back with all your common wire colors. So what I did is I just took some wire. I basically made my own little pigtail with the standard colors: green, white, red, yellow, gray, and blue. And then just same thing. It was just matching the colors up back here and using some wire nuts to secure them. So it's really easy. Fit in the exact same spot. I just have a couple of screw holes in the wall that I need to touch up. Not a big deal. I'm going to go through the operation of this for you real quick. So if you don't have it, you might want to see how it works, because it is very simple. The old one, there was slides and buttons, and this one is just a couple of buttons. So this is just your up-down temperature, obviously. And this one is backlit too, which is really nice, just for a few seconds, then it times out. So you just push this button to scroll through the modes. So the first one would be fan low. Kick your fan low on, fan high, cool high, cool low auto, cool high auto, heat, and then off. And the cool high, what that means is that your fan will always run and it will cycle your compressor on and off. Same thing with cool low. Your fan will always be on low and it will cycle your compressor on and off. And this is actually the way I prefer to run it, because then you always have airflow. The fan will never actually shut off, but it's good because it keeps the airflow circulating and helps prevent some of that droop that I was talking about. If you put it on cool, low, auto, the fan will shut off when the air conditioner has reached its point and turn on when it needs to come on, etc. So even though it seems like there'd be no way to control that on this thermostat, there is, so don't worry. It is a better upgrade to move to this new style one. It's just a little bit smaller. So like I said, I wasn't able to cover up the screw holes, but I'll just fill them in with a little bit of silicone, make it look the best I can. But I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this thermostat, and I really do think it is a good upgrade for your RV. I got this for about $56 on Amazon, so a very reasonable price. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.